to apply some mascara before I can pop in my lashes. I had been struggling to apply lashes, but I saw this hack and I want to try it today, so let's hope this goes well, because that will be all I'll be doing ever. So instead of applying the lash glue onto the lash, you're gonna apply the lash glue as a liner onto your eye and then pop in the lash. So first I'm going to see where this is going to place. If this goes wrong, I don't know. They said you don't even have to wait for it to dry, so I'm going to pop it in. Wow, that is so much easier. There's no mess, there's no struggle, there's no mess. Oh my god, this is like the easiest hack. Like, I don't know why I never thought about it. I've always struggled wearing lashes, but look at this. This is like seamless. It went in like so smooth. All right, we have an easy way now to do these things. Did someone say lashes every day? Lashes every day. Lash life. Lash life. Wow. How easy was that? That was unbelievably easy. Like, what? Whoever shared that, wherever I saw it, I can't remember, but must have been a makeup group. Whoever shared it, thank you so very much. Thank you. So I think I'm done. So